fancy, but you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you are doing good, hope you are doing great, and today's video is totally different from every other video. Anyways, let me just talk about me first. You guys will be like, why is she dressed like this? It's a morning, I just woke up. I said to take my bath quickly because I invited someone here to come here and teach us something, and this is my real face. So I invited someone here to come teach us something that you guys have requested for. Like, I uploaded a video I think months back, and you guys wanted me to like do a tutorial on that, which is backward cornrow. So it's called backward cornrow, 2 hands, patewo, French braid. So I invited a professional to come here and do it because I don't want to come here and tell you guys that yeah, I know how to do it when I don't know how to really do it. So she's going to be doing it in a bit, and I'm going to be doing the explanation in the video. This is why I don't really talk, like when I'm filming I don't really talk to you guys directly because my house is actually noisy. So I'm going to be doing like a voiceover, and our mother is my younger sister. Her name is Marvelous. You guys have seen her here on this channel like a couple of times. So we are going to be doing that all together. I'm going to be like the photographer or the videographer here. So yeah, if you want to be seeing more of this kind of video, any hairstyle, you know, even if I cannot do it, I'm going to invite someone here to come here and teach us because I'm also learning. I don't really know how to do these hairstyles, most of the hairstyles. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, you keep watching my videos and you don't want to subscribe, this is the opportunity for you to just click the subscribe button and join the family. It doesn't cost you shishi, it does not cost you penny. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Since the hairstyle is all back, she's just sectioning out the hair into 2 sections so she can be able to cornrow the hair in a straight format. Then put the right section into a big box braid so that it doesn't get in the way while she's trying to, or while she's cornrolling the other part of the hair. Now she's just sectioning out the portion or the part she will want to inward cornrow. Then after that, we'll just put the hair in a big box braid, and then we'll just go ahead to comb the hair. Okay, now she's just parting the section she parted before into 2 equal parts.
In my life, I've been told to take a hint, now I'm fine. Cause I wanna be loved by you. I wanna be loved by you. Cause I wanna be loved by you. 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 Cause I wanna be loved by you. I wanna be loved by you. Cause I wanna be loved by you. Wish I was a winner. She still wears my heart on her shoulder. Oh man, let's kill her. But she knew I had nothing left to lose.
I know you'll be like, she's too fast, you're not catching up. So while she was doing, or while she was making her hair, I was actually learning from her, and I'm a very good learner when it comes to hand things. So I'm going to put like a demo or my practicing process, a clip of me doing the hair bit. It's just the demo, it's not the real thing. So me doing, practicing, so that you guys will be able to know what she's actually doing, and then I will insert back the clip so that you continue watching from where she stopped. For me now, I'm just parting the hair into 2 equal parts using a tail comb to achieve it. So I part the front part into 3 sections, just the way we do the normal cornrow, but in this case we're cornrolling it inside, pushing the front portion that is in between the 2 other portions inside, and while I'm doing that, I'm also crossing the right one to the left. Then we take that same one inside and add some hairs to the left side and cross it to the right side. We just continue doing so. While I'm crossing them, I'm also adding some hairs to it as I go. We just allow you guys to see for yourself before moving over to the main video. Remember, I said that this is just a demonstration or illustration of what the professional is doing. Doing this demonstration is just so that it can be easy for us to understand what she's doing.
And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go. And let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in. Same old story of my life. You run, but I need you in my life. I've been told to take a hint, now I'm fine. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, 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 cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you. Wish I was a winner. She still wears my heart on her shoulder. Oh man, let's kill her. If she knew I had nothing left to lose, and everything.
Now back to the main clip. We'll allow you guys to watch for yourself and understand for yourself. I won't explain anything, just watch the video carefully.
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go. And let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in. Same old story of my life. You run, but I need you in my life. I've been told to take a hint, now I'm fine. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, 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 cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you. Wish I was a winner. She still wears my heart on her shoulder. Oh man, let's kill her. If she knew I had nothing left to lose, and everything to prove. I just wanna be loved by you. Here we go, we go, we go. And let the roller coaster ride begin. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, 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 cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you. It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can't keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go. And let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if you find it helpful, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share to friends and family. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you.